Hi, Diana Vance, Technical Director for A Portable Theater again. This is the last of a series of short videos featuring some of the sound effects for the live radio drama that APT is touring, Tales from the Grave, written by Jeff Nelson. We need a great range of effects for this show, and we certainly haven't shown you all of them in this series, but here's a quick rundown of a few of some of the others you might see. For example, critters. If you go into your local hunting store, you'll find a wide variety of noisemakers that represent ducks, turkeys, all kinds of other critters. Some of them are pretty much what you might guess, like this owl call. More entertaining is the visual of an actor delivering a line and making a goose call. And even more entertaining is an entertainer making a sound of a turkey. Fire effects are also interesting. Lighting a match is as simple as taking a popsicle stick and a sanding block and striking it like you're lighting a match right in front of the microphone. Fire is as simple as getting a piece of theatrical gel or cellophane and crinkling that material. The sound of crickets can be made with a ratchet from your toolbox. And a train sound can be replicated by putting some dried beans, like you'd buy at the grocery store, in a sealed up cigar box, shoe box, or in my case, card box, and simply moving the box properly in a rhythmic fashion. You can enhance the effect by varying the box's proximity to the microphone, closer for an approaching train, farther away for a departing train. You can change the speed and intensity of the movement of the box to match the speed and intensity of the train. And adding an old-fashioned child whistle, available at most toy stores, can complete the effect. Digging a grave is also a very simple effect. You simply need to get yourself a small bucket of pea gravel, available at your local landscaping or home improvement store, and a garden spade, probably in your garage, and simply dig. Well, that's the end of our series. To see how these effects are used on stage with real live actors, as well as check out some of our other nifty sound effects, watch our website for scheduled performances of Tales from the Grave, coming to you this fall.